other products we used on our backhoe project, on our project for attaching all the lines and stuff to our backhoe, we use zap ties. Now, I bought a package of these at the hardware store for $7.99. I bought another package just like this from Dollarama, which we have up here in Canada. Maybe you call it Dollar General somewhere in the States. I'm not too sure. They were $3. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Look at these. They were the same price. And I bought these big long suckers here. There's 5 in there. Nice and heavy duty for $3. If I had known that, I would have bought the whole damn shebangle. But anyways. So anyways, you can find stuff at your Dollarama. You know, good quality ties. Nice and big head on them. And, you know, for $3, man, you can't go wrong with that. It's a good deal. For doing electrical, for doing hydraulics, tie up your hoses, make them nice and neat and pretty. And there you have it. So, another good product. And I would suggest looking at your Dollarama for zap ties. Good for doing hydraulic stuff. Alright. I don't have a link for that, but you can just go to your Dollarama and look for Dollarama or Dollarstore or Dollar General, I'd imagine, and look for zap ties. Cheap. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See ya.